imagine yourself in this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: fog lamps, front reading lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear head airbag, sliding rear window, ABS, and trip computer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.